Hello, good morning everyone. I just purchased a new orchid. This is called Grammatophyllum martae, species orchid native to the Philippines. We can see the plant mounted on the tripod, and we can see the fresh and healthy suburb and nice root system here. We can see the leaves. I love the green leaves here. Grammatophyllum martae. When flowering, this one will have a very lovely flower like this. If convert in US dollar, it costs 13 US dollar is a good price, I think, for this nice plant. Okay, and then the second is Eria flavescens, native to Indonesia. Eria flavescens species orchid. The vendor told me this one will have a fragrant flower like this. Eria flavescens, cheap orchid, only 2 US dollar, very cheap. And I got a bonus extra gift from the vendor. This is a species orchid, dendrobium stuartii, small plant, the bonus. Okay, thank you guys. Happy growing, have a great day. Bye.